With the surface measurement object in 2D graphics, you can easily insert surface measurements. Once the first point on the perimeter that surrounds the surface to measure is set, an initial click fixes it, and then, using the intersections, we can then fix other additional points that identify the surface to measure. With the toolbar options, we can also define an offset, add other points, or change the selected segment to an arc. With the last point now defined, simply select Finish. From the Properties toolbox, you can enter a start and end text, remove the hatch pattern, or choose a different color.